Welcome back to my UP Mornings. I'm Air Stasic. Here's what you may need for the next 48 hours. Definitely warm layers, maybe some snow toys or snow removal gear depending on where you're situated. Hot cocoa and warm food for everybody. We've got blustery winds continuing today, gusts around 35 to 40 miles an hour coming out of the west, and wind chills today, tonight, and tomorrow. Winter weather alerts, most of those are going to be ending today. We've got a few that are hanging on into our Friday. Frigid temperatures, we're talking single and negative digits today into Friday as well. Let's go over these winter weather alerts. A cold weather advisory for Gogebic and Florence counties where we could see wind chills down to 25 below. Those end at 9 a.m. Central Time. Further to the north, Ontonagon, Houghton, and Baraga counties, we've got until 7 p.m. tonight a winter weather advisory that ends with maybe some additional lake effect snow up to 3 inches, and then gusty winds 35 miles an hour, reduced visibility as possible as well. These winter storm warnings, those go until 7 a.m. on Friday Eastern Time. We'll zoom into Alger County west of Munising. You could see 4 to 10 inches possibly, but further to the east, 10 to 17 for Alger, North Schoolcraft, and Luce counties. Again, till 7 a.m. on Friday, 35-mile-an-hour gusts and some reduced visibility. We had some road closures earlier. Don't be surprised if those pop up again. This winter storm warning further to the east for Mackinac and Chippewa counties. North of M28, maybe 6 to 13 inches. South of that, around 3 to 5 inches of additional snow. Expect slippery roads as well. For your day today, we're hitting an average of about 12 degrees by this afternoon. But the good news is we've got sunshine out there, but it's going to be bitterly cold. We've got those wind chill conditions. A cold evening is expected, especially if you're in an area with mostly clear skies. I'm talking about that Wisconsin-Michigan border. Highs 5 to 20 degrees. It's going to feel colder than that with the wind chills that we've got today and tonight and tomorrow. Our lows tonight, negative 15 to 10. Again, expect colder temperatures in the interior. Here's a look at those wind chills today. Negative 20 for Iron Mountain. That's how low we could get. Negative 15 in Escanaba, Houghton as that max low wind chill factor. Again, those are going to continue into Friday. For this morning, you could see an additional 1 inch in Ontonagon by 9:30. Half an inch for Munising. Again, those areas are going to see a lot more action than the rest of us. Maybe 1.4 for Munising by this afternoon for that early evening commute. But by 6 p.m., close to a half an inch or 1.5 inches. Ontonagon, 4.3 inches possible. And again, those numbers in the morning, we could see 5.7 for Ontonagon, 3.2 for Houghton, and then looks like the southern counties are staying relatively dry. We'll expect sunshine there today and on Friday, but again, those bands of snow staying along that northwest and northeast coast here tonight also, but maybe a few flakes in the morning on that Friday before everyone sees more sunshine. Here's your 7-day outlook for Houghton and Keweenaw. A high of 14 today. Pay attention to those lows. We've got 6 degrees for the low tonight, 18 degrees for Friday. Marquette, Negaunee, and Ishpeming, a high of 14 today, 3 degrees for your low, 20 degrees for that Friday high, but lots of sunshine. Iron Mountain and Kingsford, a high of 9 degrees, low is negative 6. We'll bump back up to around 17 for Friday. Escanaba and Gladstone, a high of 14 degrees today, negative 3 is that low, and slightly warmer on Friday with 20 degrees.